Under the Uniform Commercial Code, or UCC, a buyer has the option to cover when a seller breaches a contract to provide goods by contracting with another seller to buy replacement goods. When a buyer exercises that option, the buyer can sue the seller for the difference between the contract price and the cover price. In Chronister Oil Company versus Unocal Refining and Marketing, the Seventh Circuit considered whether the UCC's cover provision applies when a buyer doesn't actually purchase replacement goods and instead merely diverts some of its pre-existing inventory for the non-delivered goods. Chronister Oil Company agreed to sell 25,000 barrels of gasoline to Union Oil Company of California, or Unocal, for 60.4 cents a gallon. Chronister further agreed to deliver the gasoline during the first 5 days or so of March. To fulfill that obligation, Chronister arranged for another company to deliver the gasoline on March 5th, but Unocal refused to take delivery, complaining that there was too much water in the gasoline. Chronister offered to deliver another 25,000 barrels of gasoline by the middle of March, but Unocal said no thanks. Instead, Unocal diverted gasoline that it already owned, which carried an average cost of 63.14 cents a gallon. At this time in early March, the market price for gasoline was 55 cents a gallon. In a diversity action filed in federal district court and controlled by Illinois law, Chronister alleged that Unocal breached the contract by refusing to accept substitute performance. Unocal countersued, also alleging breach of contract and asking for cover damages based on the difference between the contract price and the average cost of the gasoline that it diverted. The district court ruled that Chronister was the one that breached the contract and awarded damages to Unocal. Chronister appealed to the Seventh Circuit.